Welcome. Today we're unboxing the Bowers Wilkins Px8 S2. It is a mouthful, but I've been in the market for travel, work from home headphones that are a little bit more on the audiophile side. Not that the Sony XM6s or the Boses don't cut it. I just wanted to step up a little bit in terms of audio quality, and we'll see if the Bowers Wilkins delivers that. So let's go open it up, check it out. I'll give you my first impressions, and then hopefully soon I'll give you a full review after using it for a little bit. Let's get into it. So as you can see, premium boxing, not quite Apple levels of insanity, but still pretty good packaging nonetheless. Hopefully we can get you some nice ASMR. We'll take a look at the case. It has a little embossed Bowers Wilkins as we unzip. Take a look on the inside. Wow, super premium look and feel. I like that the case is compact. That's great for me. I don't typically like to travel with bulky backpacks just because usually for business trips, I'm in and out. So I love the fact that this is not some monstrosity of a case, nor is it the AirPods Max case, which looks like a bra that you tote around. So very happy. I love the alloy that's kind of used on the inside of this. As you can see here, we take it out. Again, the cushions feel like they're a leather. As you can see, you got the volume and function buttons here. Not quite sure yet what they do. I haven't dug into the instruction manuals. You have another set of buttons there. Looks to be the on and the Bluetooth connection button. Then you have a USB-C connection right there. And then you got your left and right cupping. Really super premium materials. Again, I love the compactness of it, how it folds down. Doesn't seem to take a lot of space up. And then inside of here, USB to USB-C. You also have USB-C to 3.5, so you can connect to the USB-C here and then connect it to a 3.5 millimeter terminating end. So looks premium, very compact. I love it as a business traveler. It doesn't look to be much of a space hog inside the compartment. Again, we will check this out. This is the brand new Bowers Wilkins Px8 S2, which we will be checking out over the next few weeks, and I will be giving you a full review on it on the Dad Tech channel. I will check you next time. Peace.